Hello everyone and welcome to this first video on CustomTkinter tutorial. Today we are going to explore this library that allow you to create modern graphic user interfaces in Python. If you have used Tkinter before, you will see that CustomTkinter adds a modern touch with more stylish widget, bulletin theme, and more advanced features. So to start, let's do something on Visual Studio Code. I think you're familiar with CustomTkinter with the Visual Studio Code. First, create a folder, give it a name. Like mine, I give it zip programming. Then create first Python file, give it a name like mine, mean.py. Okay, go to terminal. Then right here you can install your CustomTkinter with using pip command. Okay, run the command. Okay, I have the library, so I don't need to install it again. So after this, let's write some code. First, import the CustomTkinter model as CTK. You can use any name you want. Okay, first let's create the first window. Okay, you should create a variable to store the object of the window. This object is ctk with uppercase letter. Okay, then give it a geometry. It's a string value, a width, x height. Okay, in my case I will use 1000 x 500. Okay, give it a title with using root the title my app example. Okay, then call the main loop. Okay, then run the script. Okay, this is our first window with the CustomTkinter. Let's see what we can change for the beginning. We can change the title, something like my app. Okay, and we have this name change. Okay, if you notice that, we can resize the window as we want. Okay, let's resize the height and the width. Yeah, so to fix that or to make it resizable, we can use route.max size. Give it a max width. We have for the beginning 1000. Give it as 1500. Okay, and as a height, let's see, 700. We have also something like mean size. Okay, let's give it as 500 in width and 250 as a height, as a mean height. Okay, this is the mean width and this is the mean height, and if this is the max height and width. Okay, as you see. We have something else called the resizable root dot receive. Okay, not resizable. So it take a boolean value if we give it true and false. That means that we can resize the window on width, but we cannot do this on height. Let's run the script and try. We want, yeah, the width is resizable. but the height is not. We can resist the height. Okay, for as a beginning we have also something like ctk dot set appearance mode. It takes three parameters, three variables: system, or dark, or light. Okay, my system is dark mode. If we try system, I I I think that system is the default value, and my computer use dark mode. Yeah, let's try light. Okay, this is the light value, and also we have something like ctk dot set default color theme. We have the blue one and the green. Let's try the green, but if you don't create a widget, you can't see anything green. Let's turn this to dark. Then let's try to create something like bottom, my btn equal. To create it, you should write just ctk bottom master. For now we have just the root, then a text value like click me. Okay, and if you run the script, you will see nothing on screen because we did not use the method to show the button that named back method. Okay, okay, for now don't use any parameter. If we run this, this is our button. Okay, if we change this to blue, let's see, Ctrl S to save it file, then run. It changed to blue. I don't know if they have more color. Let's see, like something like orange. No, they don't have something like orange. Red. No, they don't have. Let's just go to blue one. Okay, we can control this these colors, but in next videos. Okay, we can also do something like labels. Okay, let's say my underscore label equals ctk label. The master is for now we have just the root text like first. Oh, you can say hello world. Hello world is the best thing you can try. You can try with it in the beginning. Okay, so to show, please say my label dot pack. Sorry, and Control S. See, we have also a widget like checkbox. You can say check one equals ctk checkbox. Master is the root text. Let's give it check test. Okay, then we can do something like check dot pack. Okay, this is our checkbox. So for now, this is all for this beginning video, and see you in next video.